AI image generation has taken a whole new turn. New avenues, pathways, and worlds have been opened up now with what's possible when it comes to creating images with AI. I'm going to share with you today a process that I've used and been exploring all week. I've been like a kid in the candy store this week, honestly. And I want to show you some possibilities of what this new capability of ChatGPT 4.0 can do, how to get started, and follow through the process that I've done just so that you can begin creating some wonderful imagery for you, for your brand, so that you can go amplify your impact. For the longest time, I've been using Midjourney to create stunning AI generated images, and it really is spectacular, but it misses the mark. What ChatGPT have done very cleverly right now is they've created a image generation capability that actually becomes useful from a business and creator perspective. You can create images that look like you or that look like the source reference. And this is really important because we can now become a director and an editor of images in ways that were not possible before. Previously, you say, hey, do this, hey, do that, and it just misses the mark. So I did a little test with Grok and I uploaded a reference image of me and asked it to create a Lego version. Here's the reference image and here's the outputs. The images are really good. They're really sharp, but they're not useful to me from a creator business perspective. So I kept trying to get it to make it look like me, and it just failed epically. In ChatGPT, I gave a reference image of me, and the results are stunning. This image as a reference became this instantly. Look at the level of detail. Look at the tree in the background, the fence. It's just stunning. Why is this important? Even the tattoo on my arm is just crazy. Why is it important? What it means now is that you've got such great control over what you can do and create with AI. And let me show you a couple of examples here. So let's get rid of Midjourney. And you can very simply go into the AI, put some reference images in, and then have it create styles. So think about a brand avatar for you. Think about different use cases that you can explore. So here I created a Lego version of me that I can then use in different scenarios. I put the reference images in and I said, use these pictures as reference images to create a Lego version. Simple as that. Just type in text into the AI, et voila. It's just phenomenal, right? And then I said, put Lego Colin in a scene in his recording studio, talking to camera with lights and laptop and camera and microphone as a content creator. And there we go. So this is what it's created. It's just crazy. So how might this be useful if we've got a brand style? So I took an image of my business partner, Rob, and I that we have on our website, and I started to create Lego versions of Rob and I. It missed the mark on the first go. So I iterated again, asked it to keep the logo on both our shirts, make them smaller, and keep the faces the same as the reference image. It failed epically and it created some weird avatar looking versions, like doll looking versions of Rob and I. And then we tried again and it got closer to the mark. So a few iterations. And look, all I'm doing here is I'm just typing into the text box of ChatGPT to say, hey, can you do this? Can you do that? And all of the edits are made so much more accurately than was ever possible before. So I quite liked what we got to here. And I thought, hey, what if we created a media wall to represent our online calls in our unlimited inner circle community? And I asked it to create a wide shot, looking for a banner size that we can use on our website hero section. And it created this with the little unlimited inner circle text. Text is something that it does beautifully now. It never used to do this before. I uploaded another reference image from our old website to ask it to create something that matches, something similar. So now we've got this Rob and Colin with the image in the background. We're getting closer. I didn't like this. I didn't like the stuff on the desk, which were artifacts from the old image. So I said, this is good. Let's remove the white box with blue circles, which is this bit, and fill in the monitor screen with more community members looking happy. Also make the logo in the center of Colin's shirt, make them as Lego minifigures, remove the photo on the desk. So just making some edits here, and it's got rid of the photo on the desk. It's took this logo off of my shirt here. You can see, which is at a wrong angle. And it's just iterating and improving in ways that were never possible with AI before. This is the power of this new tool now. So then I said, can we remove the elements, desk, light, etc., make it a video wall monitor showing lots of community members with Rob and Colin in front, both with faces the same, so it looks as they are in a TV studio speaking to all these community members at once. The bit that's important here is to say keep the faces the same if we want a consistent character generation. So look at this now. This final image is stunning and one that you can continue to iterate and edit. So I did that and I said, can we use this hex color? So I put a hex code color reference in here and it changed the logo on our shirts to our brand logo. It's just stunning. So here we've got so many cool use cases of this. And what we did is we just implemented this on our website. So you'll see the monitor wall in the background. You'll see that beautiful image that we just created down here and the image of Rob and Colin here. So it's created a consistent brand image for our online community. Is it perfect? No. Is it really fun to do? Absolutely. And can it elevate what you do? You bet you it can. Yeah. Also, we've got this idea that you can create anything from anything, right? So one of the things that we did here is to start experimenting creating YouTube thumbnails. And I asked it to create a YouTube thumbnail from scratch, which I thought it did a really good job of. And then I uploaded my thumbnail, which was created in Canva, and asked it to analyze which is better for stopping the scroll. And then it did a breakdown of the two thumbnails. It gave them scores and a verdict. And then it tried to create a combination of both. It failed a little bit at that, which I thought was funny. So I was like, this doesn't look like me. Let's create a character version using the source image. So then it's created something a little bit closer, still made a mistake on the text. So I iterated a couple of times. Then I gave it some additional reference images and it came up with this YouTube thumbnail trebled click-through rates on this video based on that Canva version that was there before. So then I thought, wouldn't it be interesting if we were to take a sketch? So I uploaded a sketch that I did on my notebook and the reference image of me. And I asked it to convert the sketch into a world-class, jaw-dropping, widescreen thumbnail for YouTube. Use the man in the reference, keep the face the same, that bit's important, and create a stylized character in the style of GTA 5. And this is what it created. So we've gone from sketch to thumbnail in just a few clicks. It's stunning. So then I just carried on iterating here, and you can see it's kept my tattoo, the clothes I was wearing, the glasses, and I just iterated through a few versions, a few different styles, and then instantly we're able to get something quite stunning. I just kept playing around with this because I was having so much fun. But look at that. It's unbelievable how we can use this to just do more, better work with AI, with what's possible. You can literally just draw a couple of shapes on a piece of paper. You don't need to be an artist. This is the leveling of the playing field right now. And you can get amazing, outstanding results in minutes that you can then use to go change the world. Go do that. Share what you create. Like our channel, subscribe. So how do you get started with the image generator in ChatGPT so you can have as much fun as I've been having with this? You literally start a brand new conversation with ChatGPT 4.0 and you type into the text. If you want to use reference images, then you hit this little plus icon and you would upload those reference images. So you can see here, I've just taken some images of me. Get one. So there we go. Reference image of Colin. And now you start typing, turn this into a studio. Is it Ghibli or Ghibli? I don't know what that is, of me. And you can begin exploring what's possible with the AI image generation. Enjoy. See you next time.